guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be opening my Hatchimals now.
The rest of, well, some more of your Hatchimals. This is part 2, right?
Yep, part 2. Well, remember I said there are 5 you can collect? And I said subscribe to that channel if you got these from Christmas from Santa. Leave it in the comment. So I already got some, and there's a lot. Look at them all. I got a lot. There's even some that I got from a
You want me to help you line them up and you can show everybody the ones that you have?
And look at these.
And they're the new ones.
Beautiful. And now my mom will line them all up. This is their nest. They go in. Everyone knows that. Well, you rub the egg hearts, and then when it looks like it's ready, try pushing on it very hardly, but not too hard because you might hurt your hand if you do that.
Yeah, when it starts to change colors, right?
Yep.
So there's all the little ones that you have from here.
So now I'll start opening one of these boxes. I want to do a middle one. So let's move these ones out of the way so you guys can see me open it. So now I'm going to start trying to open it. Yeah. Come on, let's open it. Awesome. So everyone, there's instructions in it, and remember my channel opening these Hatchimals, so you remember what to do. There are instructions inside.
The instructions?
Yep. So I'll need my assistant, so I'll need my mom to help me read these.
Okay, so it says, hold the egg in your hand, rub the heart. When it changes from purple to pink, it's ready to hatch. And then it says, the speckles on the egg tell you which family it's from.
It's from...
Oh, so I guess you can... Oh, I see, look. So this one's pink, and these specks are blue.
So
look, this is what they mean by the different families. So here's the pink specks. And this one's the purple specks, and then there's a blue speck. River, jungle, and desert.
I'll need my mom to help me get these out.
This is what it says. Look, so this one's pink specks. See the dots?
Yep.
So this one will be from this family. And this one has blue specks, so it'll be from that family.
Well, this one is from the pink family.
Okay. You want me to take them out for you?
But there's a problem. I forget which ones are from the family. Don't worry.
Oh, that's okay. Well, you'll know after you open them.
So this one is from the purple family. And one of them are from... So I'll leave this in the nest for a little bit and let it cool down.
All right, do you want me to tell you step 2?
Yep.
So after it's ready to hatch, then you press gently right above the heart with your thumb to crack it and push until the top of the egg can be removed. And then step 3 is you can remove any remaining shell, dispose of the clean plastic liner inside, and the bottom of the egg can be used as a nest. All right, so then here's the rest of them. Okay, do you want to
It's turning pink.
It is.
It's hatching. It's from the blue family.
All right, hold it up.
Oh, it looks so cute. Aw. Aw. It likes me. Aw.
You're silly. Can I see it? You want me to tell you what you have? All right. So. Oh, here it is. It's called Platypiper.
Platypiper.
Mhm.
Its name is Platypiper.
Mhm.
Aw, hi, Platypiper.
It's like a platypus with wings.
It's a platypus
With wings.
with wings. Ooh, I'm already rubbing the other one. This one is from the pink family. The creature I just opened is from the blue family. Where's the creature I just opened? Isn't it so cute, guys?
You can put him in the little nest.
Good platypus. He's waiting for his friend to come out.
So it said that.
Ah, it's almost. Like I said, don't press too hard or else your finger will hurt.
So the instructions said that you could use the bottom of this as a little nest if you want to keep it.
I want to keep it. It's right, I think. Awesome! Cracked so hard. Because I pushed it so. This one.
Ooh, it's green.
It's a frog. This one is
Cool. It's from the garden family.
what garden
The
family?
pink one.
I don't see
Oh,
one.
I mean the desert family.
But I don't see the frog on it.
Oh, I see it on this one. It is from the garden. See, right there.
Oh, what's its name?
Prowl.
Wow. Hi, Prowl.
Oh, it's cute. It's a little frog with little wings.
I'm getting its nest out. I need a little place so the frog can get out. Good. Now I'm gonna open the next box.
Okay, one more.
One more time. I can open one more box. But there are only 2 more boxes.
Well, after that one, there's 3 left.
What? 3?
One, two, three. Right?
Will we open the 3?
No, we'll do that in the next one. Part 3. If you want, let's see. Let's see these little guys.
So, guys, now I'm gonna open one more, and then on part 3, you'll see what other animals there are.
tell me what color those little dots are, the specks.
Blue, purple.
Blue and purple. Okay, so you have a
Can
jungle.
you open this?
Yep.
Blue, purple.
A jungle and a river.
A jungle and a river. Oh, I have a jungle or a river. Ooh. I'm gonna open blue first. I'm gonna go over here and open this cushion. Oh, I dropped it. Look, it changed colors to pink.
All right, let's see it. Oh, you're right. It changed from pink to purple. Okay, so you can try pushing on the heart now.
No, I'm gonna keep trying.
Okay.
It might be another flowers. It's from the river family. It's I don't see it on
You want me to
here.
help you? Let's see. It was. Oh, I think I see it.
What's its name?
Swatter. Look,
Swatter.
this one. Mhm.
Aw, swatter.
Oh, it's like a. I don't know, maybe a little beaver.
It is a
Has little wings. I think they all have wings, right?
Yep. They all have wings.
And the wings tell you if it's rare or not. Like this one with the pink wings, it's supposed to be rare. The ones with the silver wings
It's rare.
are common.
All of them with the wings are wild.
No, rare. It means that the silver wings are rare, are common, meaning that most of them, you can get most of them in the different packages. But this one with, the pink wings, it's rare. So rare means that they didn't make too many of them. And then purple is really rare. And blue wings, oh look, this one is a limited edition. Here, this one has blue wings on it.
Come on.
So this one's a limited edition, guy.
Hey, where's the one I just opened? Oh, here it is. Come on. Where's the other cake? Now I'll be opening the next steak.
Oh look, this one has blue wings. This one's a limited edition too. Do you see any with purple wings? No? This one's pink. This one's a limited edition. Oh no, this one's rare.
Hey, maybe the next one that I open. So guys, I'm still rubbing it, so it's almost a pink. Look at that.
Oh,
It's almost pink.
you did good.
So I'm still rubbing it. Ooh, I think I can try to open it now. I can open. Hello? Hello? Hey, nobody's answering me. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Knock, knock.
Okay, see what's in there.
Who's in here? It's not answering me.
Which Hatchimal will you collect?
It's
What color is it?
a monkey.
What color?
It's blue. It's from the purple family. It's from the jungle family.
Does it have purple wings?
Wings.
Whoa, that one's ultra rare. Do you know what that that they didn't make too many of them. Cool. Its name is Gorilla Bee.
Gorilla Bee?
Bee. Gorilla Bee.
Gorilla Bee?
This guy's cute. You see the purple wings?
Hey, Mama, I think all of the creatures' names are the elf's names.
Look how cute he is, Lissa.
I'm getting its nest ready.
I think that's the first one that you got with purple wings.
Yeah, it is.
We'll have to look at the other ones.
All of them?
Well, you got more last year, right?
Mm-hmm. Here's its little nesty. Where's the nest? Mama, where's the nest? Mama. So, I hope you enjoyed my second video. So make sure you like it and subscribe below. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and give me a big, huge thumbs up. So I only have 3 more Hatchimals to open and check out on level bird.
So the next video, you're going to be opening more of your Hatchimals.
Yeah, and there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more, and there's only 6 more Hatchimals to see which ones there are. And all of their names are very fragile. Look very, very close to see what their names are.
Okay, so subscribe to Kids Places so you know when Alyssa makes her next Hatchimals unboxing video.
And I'll send my video back to you, and I'll tell you which day I'll send it back. If you do it today, it'll be good. Bye-bye.